How to change the theme in ProRealTime mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we are going to learn how you can easily change the theme in your ProRealTime app. So let's get started. First of all, launch open ProRealTime application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner. In the expanded menu, click on Preferences. Under Preferences, select Colors. Under Color Scheme, tap on either light or dark. If you select light, you'll see a white or the bright background for your app. If you choose dark, it'll change your application's background to dark mode. If you choose Same as System, this will follow your device's theme automatically. So that's it. Your ProRealTime application now matches your style and comfort. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.